Graphic design is now one of the most relevant majors for students to enroll in. Students who study graphic design develop different kinds of skill sets. The first is learning how to see, so they learn how to look at the world and understand the world, learning how to communicate with the world. This is also another skill set that the students develop. Critical thinking, design thinking, in addition to the technical skill sets, which is learning the needed basic software, learning how to illustrate and keep a sketchbook, how to document their processes, how to present to the public or in public. The other one is more on the history of the region and what design is like internationally, globally, and locally. And how do you link global concepts on design with more regional and local ones? When students study graphic design, there's a big range of career paths that they can pursue. The first one would be joining, for example, a digital company, any digital company, whether social media, advertising, web design, animation, game design. These are all career paths that the students can pursue. Other students are more interested in product and fashion and more material design. Other opportunities would be for students to enroll in the publishing industry. They can join publishing houses, work on book designs, magazine designs. Actually, a designer can belong to any company. Any company who needs a designer can have an in-house designer. So the most important thing is that students follow their passion and they choose a career that they are happy waking up in the morning, going to every day. To us, passion is the most important thing we want our students to walk away with.